Oh my gosh, it looks like I have like a Caucasian granddaddy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Demi. So, by the title of this video, you know I have some new colored contacts for you guys. I just want to give a big shout out to Shop for Kira for sending me these amazing new contacts. You guys can definitely use my discount code DemiDawnXL to save 20% off their website. And these contacts are prescription. Yeah, I know I got eye problems. I'm blind. I cannot see. So these contacts are definitely coming in handy. So here's the official unboxing. I'm starting out with Crystal Brown. That's my prescription, -175. So they are prescription color contacts. So if you need them, come get them at justforkira.com. They give you the little tools to put them on, but as y'all know, I don't know how to use them. So let's just pop this sucker in. Oh, I like these. It's very natural and it covers my brown eyes. I like it, and I like the little rim around it. Oh, these are nice. I love these. I'll probably be wearing these all the time. They're not so pale in your face. The brown is so pretty. Like, this is what I wish my eyes look like. My eyes are super dark brown, so when the sun hit my eyes, it's not even this light. It goes with my melanin. These are the ones. Like, y'all gonna see me wearing these all the time in my videos. So on to the next. I just want to show y'all the case real quick. So unlike the other contacts that I received that had the screwy top, this one's like an actual little case, and each case has the prongies and this little suctiony thing that I don't know how to use. So I'm just gonna stick with my fingers, stick to what I know. But yeah, that's the case, y'all. These are hazel, and I don't really like hazel contacts, but I thought I'd take a leap of faith with these because mostly every time I see hazel contacts, they have more green than brown. But these have like gray and brown. It's like silver and brown. It's definitely covering my dark brown eyes like really good. And once again, I love the ring around the color. Like, I feel like it helps it blend more. These contacts are super out there. Girl, we know you wearing contacts. We know this not your natural eye color. Girl, I mean, they're cute, but they're like really out there and they're kind of bright. I don't know, but I do like them. I do feel very exotic. But they are super bright. Like, what y'all think about these? I don't know where I think I'm going in these. It can't be no everyday thing because somebody gonna look at you and be like, ah! Did you guys see that TikTok when the guy is like, this is not a coincidence?
I already knew that, yet you still live a life that you dread.
Excuse me. But yeah, I don't know. Ooh, who is that? These are super blue. They're called, what they called? They're called Luna Blue. Let me get close so y'all can see you. You see how around here, well, this one looks a lot bluer than this one. Like, these contacts don't even look like they match. Wait a second. Because this one has like the yellow, more yellow. And this one doesn't. Shop for Kira, why y'all do me like this? Like, this one is even clearly more bluer than this one. Like, this one looks super saturated, super vibrant, super not what I want. Like, I wish I had two of these. Like, it doesn't look as blue. But you know the vibes. It's definitely giving biracial. Oh my gosh, it looks like I have like a Caucasian granddaddy. But yeah, super adventurous, super bright. My contacts did come in like a little less than 2 weeks. Delivery was super fast. They give you instructions on how to put the contacts on. And these contacts are supposed to last for a year. So I'm not gonna be looking like this for a year straight. Of course, I'm going to like mix them up because I cannot wear this for a year. I don't know, I was just being super adventurous when I chose all these contacts. I just wanted to try something new. But I think I kind of went a little bit overboard because, honey, I don't know about this pair. What y'all think? It's a no for me. But if you're completely in love with these contacts, you can shop on their website. They're having their mid-year sale. It's like 40% off right now. And I got a discount code for y'all. Use my code DemmmmmmmmXO to get 20% off your order. You could be, you know, looking like this too. So these are the last pair and they're called NASA gray. And not only are they gray, and I absolutely love gray contacts, but take a closer look. They have little stars on them. Do you guys see the stars? They have little stars on them. I thought that was so cute. It's like I'm twinkling. My twinkly eyes. Don't get lost in them. But I think these are super cute. They're kind of bright. I still think that they're super cute. They're not as bright as the hazel ones, but these are so... Could you stop making noise while I'm recording? They're not as light as the hazel one. I think I would wear these on a day-to-day basis too because they're so cute. So definitely, if you are in the market for cheap, affordable, low price, colored prescription contacts, just for Kiara, it's just for you. Once again, you can use my discount code DemmmmmmmmXO to save a whopping 20% off on top of the discounts that they already got going on right now. So y'all better get into it. Even if you have 20/20, you've been one of God's favorites and you've been blessed with vision, you can get you some non-prescription contacts and you could be looking cute too. You could be adventurous too. You can have twinkles in your eyes too, because I've never seen these before. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want me to make because I want to do something other than just doing a bunch of reviews. Let me know what your favorite pair of contacts were. I definitely have so many options to choose from now, especially with the last contacts video that I did. So I will never be blind, okay? Never be blind. Anyways, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.